If you're seeing the GoDaddy coming soon page on your website, don't worry. It usually means your site is still showing a default placeholder instead of your real website content. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the GoDaddy coming soon page step by step so your website can finally go live. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick website fixes and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's start with the most common method, especially if your website is running on WordPress. First, open your WordPress admin dashboard. You can usually do this by going to your website address and adding /wp-admin at the end. Once you log in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This is where you'll find any plugin that might be responsible for showing the coming soon or maintenance page. Now, scroll through your installed plugins and look for anything with names like coming soon, maintenance mode, under construction, or similar. If you find one, deactivate it. In many cases, that plugin is the reason visitors are not seeing your actual website. After disabling the plugin, go back to your website and refresh the page. In a lot of situations, that alone will remove the coming soon screen and reveal your live site. If the page is still showing, don't panic. There may be another setting or plugin still active, so double check that no other maintenance-related plugins are enabled. Also, make sure your homepage is set correctly inside WordPress because sometimes the site is live but the wrong page is being displayed. Now let's move to the cPanel hosting method. This is useful if your website is not using WordPress or if the coming soon page is being controlled by files on your hosting account. First, log into your hosting control panel and open File Manager. Once File Manager loads, go into the public_html folder. This is usually the main directory where your website files are stored. Inside public_html, look for files related to a default landing page, such as an index file or a coming soon file. If you see a file that is clearly acting as a placeholder, you can remove it or rename it so it no longer loads first. In many cases, the server is showing the coming soon page because that file is taking priority over your real website files. Be careful here and only delete or rename files if you're sure they are part of the placeholder page. If you're not confident, renaming the file is usually the safer option because you can always change it back later if needed. After making the change, go back to your website and refresh it to confirm the real homepage is now showing. If your domain is pointing correctly, but the page still won't change, you may also need to check whether your hosting provider has a built-in coming soon feature enabled in the site settings. Some hosts automatically turn this on when a domain is newly connected. If that's the case, look for a website status, staging, or launch setting in your hosting dashboard and switch the site from coming soon mode to live mode. Once your website is visible again, take a minute to test the homepage, navigation, and contact forms so you know everything is working properly. This is the best time to make sure your visitors can actually access the content you want them to see. So to recap, if you're using WordPress, go to WP-admin, open plugins, disable any coming soon or maintenance plugin, and refresh your website. If you're using cPanel hosting, open File Manager, go to public_html, and remove or rename the placeholder file that's forcing the coming soon page to appear. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more website fixes, and let me know in the comments what platform you're using if you're still stuck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.